Lunch after Mass. Where? The ever-reliable Nurse Burger. Let's see what we will order. It's a dut-dut machine. Dut-dut-dut-dut-dut. Wait later what our order will be. What are we having? We're having tea, nuggets, and beef burger with vegetables. Let's eat. Where are we? Are we eating here? Where are we? Taipei 101. What can we see here? There's the Christmas tree. There's Toy Story. And of course, there's Taipei 101. We made it! So we're getting Dairy Queen because it's Christmas and it's cold. We got matcha almond for the hero. Let's eat. Kain po ulit. We're having ramen, Japanese. What are we getting? We have grilled chicken and pork ramen. Let's eat.